Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquin. This is another video on pandas, and in this video I will show you how to visualize data, right? So for visualization we need a different module. It's called Matplotlib and also the Pyplot submodule, right? And here I will show you the bar chart, the scatter plot, also the line plot, and also the pie chart. For that we using different type of methods. So go to the computer screen. Using Python ideally, I will visualize data step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python IDE, and here I'm just write the code how to visualize the data using Python code. And here I'm using the two different module actually. One is Pandas, which is actually the analyze and also the manipulate data, and another today I'm using for visualization, which is Matplotlib, this module, and also the some sub module which is Pyplot, right? So using these two module I will visualize the data. Okay, so here I'm at first create some data set where we in that way we create that some cities name are there and some rainfall are given in millimeter in particular month is concerned. Okay, and this data should be visualized. This is our actually the code to this video is concerned. Okay, so at first we import the pandas module. So just write import pandas as pd, and now we import the matplotlib and pyplot this module. So just write import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, just create the alias. Now we just create the data set. Just write data equal, and we create a dictionary. So just write at first the city, and what the value of that, we are just sending the value in that way as a string in a particular list is concerned. So just write Kolkata, then suppose write Mumbai, then suppose write Bengaluru, then suppose write Chennai, and then suppose write the Delhi. Okay, these are the city name. And now we just write here the rainfall in millimeter. So just write rainfall, rainfalls, just write the name as a key, and then we send the value in floating point. Suppose Kolkata in a particular month of June, just write 34.7. Mumbai, suppose it's 40.6. For Bengaluru, suppose 21.6. Chennai, suppose 12.9, and Delhi, suppose 49.8. So these are in millimeter, and just express the rainfall in millimeter in a particular month in 2024. The month is June. Okay, and now we close our data set in form of data frame, means we create the data frame. So just write df equal, and then just write pd dot data frame and send this data set as an argument. Okay, now at first we create the bar chart. Okay, so in that we call plt dot bar, this is the method name, and then we send in that way df. The first is your city in x-axis, and in y-axis we are sending the rainfall, rainfalls. Okay, and then for the bar is concerned, have some color. So we put the color, suppose red. Okay, and then we just close our parenthesis. Okay, now we put the title of this bar chart is concerned. Just write plt title, and then just write in that way rainfalls for the month June 2024. Okay, and then we put the levels. So just write plt dot x level, and this is the x level is for the city, and y level is your rainfalls. So plt dot y level, and just write as an argument rainfalls. Okay, and then we just show the bar chart. So that's why we just write in that way, plt dot show, then parenthesis open, close. If you save the file, just go to file and save it. Suppose put the name pa.7. we already know the Python file extension is .py. So save it, press save, and if we just run the code, just press F5. So there is the error. We just put the mixture of double quote and a single quote. So suppose we put here double quote here, again save it, press F5. Oh, no modules named Matplotlib. Yes, you need to install this Matplotlib, this library. So we just go to my CMD, and for installation of this Matplotlib, just write pip install Matplotlib, press enter. It will take some time to install in your system this Matplotlib, this module. When it completed, it shows successfully installed. So just keep patience for this time period when it just installing in my system. Okay, it's successfully downloading and successfully installed. Okay, so just close it. Now again press F5. So just see what happened. It will shows or not. Yes, it shows that rainfalls for the month June 2024, Kolkata, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Delhi, and we don't use any grid. What is grid? Now put the grid is concerned. What is grid? Just checked. Just write another line, plt dot grid, and just write here true, the boolean value true. Save it, again run, press F5. So just see the grid is like that. The x-axis and y-axis have some grid is given, the lines are given. Okay, now this is the bar chart, right? Now we go for the another part, which is a scattered plot. So in that case we just change here, just put here the scattered, this method, and then city rainfall is okay for x-axis and y-axis is concerned. Color, suppose we put here blue, you can put different color also, and now here put some marker, because the scatter is concerned what mark you put here. Suppose we put here in a single quote a small o, means lowercase o. Okay, and what the size, just put here s equal to 200. Okay, and all the part is okay, and just save it and press F5 again. So just see, this is a scattered plot. The rainfall in millimeter for each and every city is concerned, just put in a particular scattered format and just put some blue circle. Okay, now go for the line plot. In that case we change this scattered method, just replace by plot. Same thing, x-axis y-axis is okay. Color, just put here suppose purple, and marker is okay. The o is we are using here. Don't use this s, use another argument line style, and then we put the line style is hyphen or dash. So in that way it form the lines. Again save it, just run it, press F5. So just see the line just create here of this particular scattered point, just make the line, and just it will just join each and every scattered point and form the line plot. Okay, so in that way we can form these three different type of, we can visualize the data in different form. One is bar chart, the scatter plot, and the line plot. Now we go for the pie chart. Okay, so now again we use here the pie. This is the another method. Now what happened for pie is concerned is just go for the 100%. So each and every sector now is just represented by the rainfall, and it leveled by the city. So that's why at first we put here the rainfall, at first rainfalls, actually the name of the key here, and here we just use here levels equal, and then just write here city, and then we don't need the color, don't need this other argument, only put one argument here is called auto PCT, the percentage format. So within double quote just write in that way, percentage 1.1 f percent means it will show after decimal only one place. Okay, and then title is okay, don't need this x-axis, y-axis. This method is no more need for pie chart is concerned. Grid is also no more need, but we change this grid by the another method axis, and then just write here true and then save it, press F5. Just see, it shows the data as a visualized format in particular pie chart. So each and every section is in different color and shows the percentage, what percentage of the rainfall we are given in the data set, just shows in a visualized format in a pie chart, right? So in that way we can visualize the data using this Matplotlib and submodule Pyplot. Using this two module we can use this different type of visualized data using bar chart, scatter plot, line plot and pie chart. I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arnab for more videos, and also write in the comment section what type of video you want to see. Okay, so today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.